Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic liniment, the monophasic liquid dosage form from pharmaceutics 2. Topics to be covered are as follows: Introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, and liniment as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Let's see about monophasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as solute. Then the classification of liquid dosage form, in that it get divided into two classes: liquid meant for internal administration, which is of three types: mixture, syrups, elixirs, and liquid meant for external administration. It is again divided into three types: liquid for oral cavity, which is taken by mouth; second, liquids instilled into body cavities; and third, liquids applied on skin. In case of first, liquid for oral cavity, which is taken by mouth, again of three types: gargles, mouth washes, throat paints. Liquids instilled into body cavities, examples are douches, ear drops, nasal drops. And liquids applied on the skin, again there are three examples: sprays, liniments, lotions. So today we will discuss about liniments. Liniments are fluid, semi-fluid, or occasionally semi-solid preparations intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Liniments are solutions or mixtures of various substances in oil, alcoholic solutions of soap, or emulsions, and it may contain suitable antimicrobial preservatives. These preparations that may be liquid or semi-liquid are intended for external application and should be so labeled. They are rubbed onto the affected area. Because of this, they were once called embrocation. They are applied with friction and rubbing of the skin, the oil or soap base, providing for ease of application and massage. General uses of liniments: antipruritic, used to relieve the itching; astringents, causes biological tissue to contract; emollients, produce products that soften skin or treat dry skin; analgesics, rubefacient, substance that causes redness or rhubarb; counter irritant, an agent applied locally to produce superficial inflammation with the object of reducing inflammation in deeper adjacent structures. Liniments only suitable for external use, that are emulsions or that contain insoluble matter, must be shaken thoroughly before use. How the liniments are prepared? The vehicle should be selected for the type of action desired, that is a rubefacient, counter irritant, or massage, and also on the solubility of the desired components in the various solvents, prepared in the same manner as solutions, emulsions, or suspensions. Examples of liniments are compound calamine liniment, efficient oil, and white liniment. We will see one example: material, original formula, category, and uses. In that, oleic acid, 85 ml. Turpentine oil 250 ml. It is used, its category is corrective and used as a counter irritant. Ammonia solution 45 ml. Its category is alkalinizing agent and use are provide alkaline medium. Ammonium chloride 12.5 gram. Its category is active ingredient. Purified water 625 ml. Category is diluent and used as a primary solvent. Procedure: mix oleic acid with the turpentine oil. Dilute ammonia solution with 45 ml of water previously warmed. Add to the oily solution and shake to form emulsion. Dissolve the ammonium chloride in water and add the emulsion. Containers: liniment should be dispensed in a colored fluted bottle. Labeling: for external use only. Shake well before use. Not to be applied to the open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. So, from our today's discussion, liniment, monophasic liquid dosage forms, learning outcomes are: what are monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, and a brief overview to liniment as a monophasic liquid dosage form.